Oh my, what could I be doing? Okay guys, so I started off with a scrap piece of carbon that I had laying around, and then went ahead and grabbed one of these fuse boxes off of Amazon, got it for pretty cheap, and of course grabbed some relays and such, and started the arduous task of wiring, of which I hate and despise. But I wanted it to look good and clean, and of course I wanted to mount it in a place that's kind of hard to see. Park lights, brake lights, and turn signals. Fan 1, fan 2, starter, headlights. Alright guys, and of course here's the final product. I still have a few slots left open because I do plan on adding a couple extra things in the future, but for now this is good and it stays fairly hidden. What do you guys think?